why should we think about doing compliance and governance the old-fashioned way? The existing traditional governance means are not enough. They're not going to cut it.
Compliance traditionally has been very manual. It has been very static. So it's like a point in time. It's not continuous. And it has been reactive.
Starting from day zero, when you start on your AI journey, putting compliance as a practice is a good idea because especially regulated industries will have to comply to those. Gruve is a services company. We deploy AI agents for different use cases. It could be for the office of the CFO, it could be for cybersecurity, it could be for procurement, it could be for healthcare or manufacturing. We also laid out the data foundation that is needed to make sure the agents can actually perform the workflows that they're intended to with the right data and also be able to scale as the use cases grow.
At Trust, our number one job is to make sure that companies are adopting AI in a compliant manner. And our focus is regulated industries, starting with insurance, healthcare, and of course, list is quite long. The value customer gets is compliant by design from day one. The moment they go live, or even before that as they're testing, they're able to see very easily that governance has been operationalized.
Pilots are in a very controlled environment and they're isolated. Their main purpose is to make sure that the use cases are valid. But when we go ahead and try to scale it in the complex real-world environment, there are, three big issues that come through. The first is data. Data could be in multiple places. It's scattered, not much control. So the data strategy needs to be implemented. So that's number one. Number two is from a model perspective itself, we need to make sure that the results can be explained, they are ethical, there are no biases, it's operational. The third part is more from the human aspect. The change agents within the organization, they need to make sure as they are implementing this, they are not just looking to implement the model from a technical perspective, but they are looking at an end-to-end process and doing a process redesign. Otherwise, it just remains unsuccessful within the organization.
The value that we see us bringing here is, for our customers, our combined customers, no matter what industry they are in, of course, starting with the regulated industries, giving them a solution which is compliant by design. I personally believe that we have the most opportunity combined to go to the customers, help them understand not only the value of AI, but how to implement AI based on their specific needs and use cases, and implement those in a compliant, scalable, cost-effective manner.
We at Gruve are very excited to partner with the Trust on this journey because this is not optional. It is required. So we believe that the solution that we are offering together is ready for that. A, the pilots will move to production quickly, and B, the compliance requirements that the governing bodies have will be satisfied.